Libumbeni ihora leshumi nambili mini sawubona mlaleli. Kuleli hora ke mlaleli ngikuphathela izindaba ebezihamba phambili ekseni nebezithi ungqongqoshe wezokuphepha ukuxunyaniswa nokuthuthukiswa komphakathi kwaZulu Natali uSihle Zikalala uthi bazoyikhotha imbenge yomile laba abagcoba amalungelo abasebenzi basemaplazini. Kanti ezinye bekungqongqoshe wezokuphepha eGauteng uSizakele Nkosi Malibane uthe sekuyinsakavukela ukuthi kudlwengulwe kuphinde kubulawa izingane eNingizimu Afrika. Kanti okhulumela leli ofisi uyasibikela
the escalating number of incidents of abuse and killings of women in the province. We have had a number of such disturbing incidents in the recent past. About the escalating number of incidents of abuse and killings of women in the province. We have had a number of such disturbing incidents in the recent past.
Kanti bigcwele phama inkantolo yaseThekwini ngesikhathi umfundo mphungo wasethula ubufakazi ecaleni lokubulawa kukaZulile Khumalo. Kanti ufikile embawulula uPaule ngemizwa yakhe ngokuphozonyelwa kumbuso futhi uphinde wagxeka umndeni wakwaGupta ngokucamukela iqokweni kongqongqoshe.
Computers where he was lamenting my statement in the NEC. I met him at Wanderers where he was lamenting what I said, and then I met him at his house in the Saxon World on a different subject, but arising from this particular issue, discussing the issue of the press ombudsman, which ruled in my favor against them when their newspaper was running a series of stories to attack me, and they even suggested that I paid for a certain Mr. Julius Malema at the Olympics with the state coffers, which was they were rubbishing my name because of what I did, that I paid for Julius to go to the Olympics and so on, and basically campaigning hard against me. And among others, that's what we discussed at his house. And then on this particular
Amlaleli sibese siphetha ngodaba oluthi EFF ithi izobenzela inkawu ngenja ontabaka ikhonja ukhethweni la kulonyaka. Kanti ke mina mlaleli sengithi khumo yilezi ebese kuphathele zona kanti asihlangabezane futhi ngesonto elizayo kwamanje ngisayobhikha ingoma le kwaZelibovu.
Breakthrough, signs and wonders. But guess what's gonna happen? A bunch of haters gonna start coming to you, trying to make you discount what God has done in your life. So I heard the Spirit of the Lord say, let this be your testimony. Jesus did! Jesus did! Heal my body! Change my life! Oh, yes, he did! I need somebody to go crazy in the room. receiving denial after denial after denial, no after no after no. But I declare that God's about to give you a yes. And with that yes, your only testimony needs to be that Jesus did. Jesus did. Jesus did. Jesus did. Oh, yes, it did. Somebody shout in this room. Somebody shout! Shout! Shout!
You know what? No devils in the house, God.
Yes,
We
Lord.
want the Lord.
Yes,
That's
Jesus.
it.
Yes, God.
Hallelujah.
Yes,
Jesus, praise the Lord.
yes, God.
Hallelujah, God.
Yes,
We don't want no devils in the house.
yes,
We
Lord.
want the Lord.
Yes,
I'm trying to keep my faith.
We on a ultralight beam. We on a ultralight beam. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is everything. This is everything. Deliver us serenity. Deliver us peace. Deliver us love. Yeah. We know we need it. You know we need it. You know we need it. The mama need you now. Pray for Paris. Pray for the parents. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. We on an ultralight beam. We on an ultralight beam. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is everything. Everything.
I'm trying to keep my faith, but I'm looking for more. Somewhere I can feel safe, and in my holy war, I'm trying to keep my faith.
Why send oppression, not blessings? Why, oh, why'd you do me wrong? You persecute the weak because it makes you feel so strong. Don't have much strength to fight, so I look to the light to make these wrongs turn right. Head up high, I look to the light. Hey, 'cause I know that you'll make everything alright, and I know that you'll take good care of your child. Oh, no longer am afraid of the night, 'cause I look to the light.
When they come for you, I will shield your name. I will field their questions. I will feel your pain. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Foot on the devil's neck to the drifted Pangea. I'm moving all my family from Chatham to Zambia. Treat the demons just like Pam. I mean, I fuck with your friends, but damn, Gina, I've been this way since Arthur was Anteater. Now they wanna hit me with the woo out the bam. Trying to snap photos of family. My daughter look just like Sia. You can't see her. You can feel the lyrics, the spirit coming in braille. Tumbling of the underground, come and follow the trail. I made Sunday candy, I'm never going to hell. I met Kanye West, I'm never going to fail. You said let's do a good ass job with Chance 3. I hear you gotta sell it to snatch the Grammy. Let's make it so free and the bar so hard that it ain't one gosh darn part you can't tweet. This is my part, nobody else speak. This is my part, nobody else speak. This little light of mine. Glory be to God, yeah. I'ma make sure that they go where they can't go. If they don't wanna ride, I'ma still give them raincoats. Know what God said when he made the first rainbow? Just notice at the end if I'm too late for the intro. I'm just having fun with it. You know that a nigga was lost. I laugh in my head cause I bet that my ex looking back like a pillar of salt. Cause they flipped the script on your ass like Wesley and Spike. You can not mess with the light. Look at the channel from 79. We on a ultralight beam. We on a ultralight beam. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is everything.
Yes, sir.
Hallelujah.
Everything.
I'm trying to keep my faith,
Yes,
but I'm looking for more. Somewhere I can feel safe, and in my holy war.
Father, this prayer is for everyone that feels they're not good enough. This prayer is for everybody that feels that they're too messed up. For everyone that feels they said I'm sorry too many times. You can never go too far when you can't come back home again. That's why I need...
It's your boy Stensic Major on Extension Point, live and beyond on the Major T Groove, 12 to 3. 12 to 3.
Hello, Mzansi. This is Zagesi Malinga. Intomgazi ndela singazi. Intomehle ngamehle njenganina on Extension Point, live and beyond Mzansi. Sanibonani, you're listening to Uzinhle kwaMbhele, uhlelo lami oluthi vuka uzibheke on your favorite radio station Extension Point FM, live and beyond Mzansi.
Ngibengele Mzansi unhlanhla uvuka Dlamini Lucky D.
Zagesi Malinga usingazi. You are listening to Extension Point FM, live and beyond Mzansi. WFC
Food for Thoughts.
Now that's how you open a good show. A very warm, happy Sabbath to you, our listeners at home. You're still tuned into Extension Point FM, and this is the Major T Groove on a very, very warm Saturday. Yeah, that's how you open a good show with gospel. Yeah, well, so that you can know good now you're highly favored. We had Ultralight Beam by Kanye West, and then we had another song by Tasha Cobbs that Jesus did it, because nothing we can do without Nkulunkulu. So just he came on earth and then blessed us and everything, and we have an amazing studio too. So we highly favored, and God is literally good. Yeah. So yeah, today those two hijacks I wanted to play before you show ikala siqhubeka nayo namhlanje situdula nje sidudulise kahle noNkulunkulu esibone ukuthi hayi impela ne-Extension Point namanje samile nakho naye yangirecognize ukuthi nami ngisaphila. So as much as we are like a youth show or a youth station is or that elalelwa yiwona wonke umuntu, so it's very good that we do involve uNkulunkulu in everything that we do. So hence I played those double hijacks engadlalile. So yeah. So namhlanje we have like a very interesting show. We're talking about life experiences namhlanje. When back in the day, what was going on in your life? What did you do? I for one, I know I was the reason so what were you doing back in the day? So that's the only thing we're going to be talking about today. My life experiences. People are going to be sending in their comments. What are their life experiences in back in the day? What were they doing in order to get a beating? Because we know what you that are manu peace way in manu and then must be a shower go so so those are the stuff we want to talk about. We don't want to get too serious today because it's a Sabbath. Most people are at church and some of them buzz aksasa. So we just want to do stuff our own way since there's very few people in studio today. So yeah, man. Right about now it's 12:15, and around about this time I should be playing you my number 10 on the major playlist. Yeah. My producer's scolding me there. Yeah, I'm gonna play one hijack, and then after that we're gonna be like driving through the whole of the rest of the show because I think my producer's still on the way. So yeah, let's grind.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I tell the DJ bring that shit back. I remember when they used to say my shit whack. Now I pull up on them with a big stack. I never boast, do the most, that's a big fact. Y'all still in the zigzag. 808s in the hood, yeah, I did that. Never took a break like a Kit Kat. They still talking shit, give them a tic-tac. Tell the DJ bring that shit okay, back. What happened to rap? Don't ask me. Kasing leti trap. Yeah, that's me. Baby, I got in that dab till look figure empty. Now all they do is cap when they talk about me. Okay, I live in the burbs. Nyatola gale kasi. Hey, fuck what you heard. It's me less catchy. Happy with the pussy. I'll blow me mask na quasi. Oru Sofinia ikasi. Best like a pansko chassis. Hell nah, don't do it. I see many men go through it. I told them I'ma make it. They all knew it. I told the DJ bring it back, watch the crowd go. I tell the DJ bring that shit back. I remember when they used to say my shit whack. Now I pull up on them with a big stack. I never boast, do the most, that's a big fact. Y'all still in the zigzag. 808s in the hood, yeah, I did that. Never took a break like a Kit Kat. Yeah, they still talking shit, give them a tic-tac. Tell the DJ bring that shit back. Man, I had to grow up ever since the blow up. I done got my door, let me switch the floor. I'm in it to win it, no limit. We flex, I'm living, it's giving, we splitting the check. I'ma do it bigger than I did it before. I don't do this for a hoe, I'm doing this for the dope. I'm trying to kill every show, I'll always switch up the flow. Living life to the fullest, I'm not taking it slow. I gotta get the bag, straight cash, hit the gas where it's at. I was broke way back, this year's payback. Nobody was doing shit till we came in. Now these rappers bribing DJs to play them. I tell the DJ bring that shit back. I remember when they used to say my shit whack. Now I pull up on them with a big stack. I never boast, do the most, that's a big fact. Y'all still in the zigzag. 808s in the hood, yeah, I did that. Never took a break like a Kit Kat. They still talking shit, give them a tic-tac. Tell the DJ bring that shit back.
It's your boy Stensik Major on Extension Point, live and beyond on the Major T Groove, 12 to 3. 12 to 3.
This song is presented to you by Extension Point. Number 10.
Chooky B.
She look at me, I look at her, she smile at me. Ay, she don't wanna type broke, she don't wanna type broke. She will never type broke. She will never type broke. She slash, she look at me, I look at her, she smile at me. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. First time me in Florida, yeah. Moving with my pistol was like a lady, yeah. All up at you neck, a pussy off this like a fish out of gray. I don't even know her name, but she call me Kakepe. The two official, and now they want my money and my gold chain. They tell me name me, maybe she thinks she's rose. She said it when I move alone, I'm gonna end up popping, yeah. I tell myself, yeah, I was a king, yeah. Like I'm gonna fucking die, yeah. I don't wanna be like a pussycat. I don't wanna be like an 80, yeah. I'm fucking too. What you say? She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. Yeah. You told me you want me, get a rosy, piece of flexing. She slash, she look at me. I look at her, she smile at me. Yeah. Ay. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She will never type broke, yeah. She will never type broke, yeah. She slash, she look at me. I look at her, she smile at me. Yeah. Ay. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She don't wanna type broke, yeah. She don't wanna, yeah.
Yiyo intokazi yakho uNtokozo uMagatsheni ubuya benyathi on Breakfast Show on Extension Point FM City Live and Beyond.
This song is presented to you by Extension Point.
Your online radio, the new online radio that makes you happy.
Hey, what up? This is Naughty the Freak, and you are listening to
Extension Point.
all the way from the Black.
Yes, sir. Played you a hijack by MT. As you bring it back, and then I gave you number 10. That's the start of our major playlist for this week. So on our number 10 spots, we have Naps, Etsy, Slay Queen. So that should give you, like a small idea of what type of show we're driving today. And we have to be much more versatile because our show, I'm driving it single-handedly, but by the beginning of next month, I'll be having someone else as a driver now. We would never know. But then, if you see yourself as a person who was on a potential, you would say, I was a good driver, and now you imagine T Groove and putting a more stiff so this show is going to be like a really good show from now onwards, since I'm actually scouting for people who drive an about this show, so it's going to be nice. I'm still talking about life experiences. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngangiqeda ushukela ekhaya ngumtshontsha kudala. Back in the day when I was still a kid, asazi uPhelena looks like the type of guy where it's makubasa umlilo athathe abhoboza ukhuni. You know those people abhoboza ukhuni la, and then now you say this guy's Osaka stays this one TV. So yeah, we want to know those type of stories. Those stories hey, they were fun, and wawazi ukuthi manje ngabandla ngenza lento le ngiyafa strong induku. So yeah, we want to laugh. Now we make sure that you laughing with us and then giving us your comments at home. Sizwe ukuthi kahle wena yini lo wayenza. Mhlawumbe uThepho naye wayidlala inqola, mhlawumbe abuye nebhuku elidabukile babuye bamthela induku. Asazi kodwa ke I'm still going to have people abanye bakhona la esinabo la ku Extension Point FM bazobuya bazosixoxela nabo ukuthi kahle yaqala kahle lento yabi ukuthi babe ilabantu esingazi ukuthi ama visionist, people that foresee things, because yazi ukuthi ingane mayidlala ekhaya, if idlala ngemoto 99% uthi leyo ngane mayikhulu izokhula ithanda imoto, if idlala ngebhamu ngibulala ngiyadlala. So but then some of those things are actually true, ukuthi ingane ibona vele isencane ukuthi hayi no khona into azoyithanda mekhula, abanye bathanda into bese bancane mabekhula bashintshe. You never know. So we want to know about your life experiences, ukuthi kahle kwenzekani. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngithandela ukuhamba, hence ngakhula ngamodela, so ukuhamba nje kwakuyinto zami, so asazi abanye ukuthi bathini nokukhuluma futhi kwakuyinto zami, hence I'm on Extension Point. So now ngasitshela ukuthi kahle wena, what type of visionist were you back in the day? Were you the type of person who wayebona izinto before zifike? You were foreseeing things before they occur. Sas kodwa ke sozwa ngani ukuthi khamba kanjani, kodwa mina manje isikhathi sami sithi 25 past the hour 12, so 25 minutes past 12. So we're still going to talk because mina ngiyazi ukuthi this show is show yempohlo, asinayindaba asinegigayidi kuphela, so we're still waiting on the V-Dot to show himself. So yabona isiganane sefuna ukubaleka ngibuka ayi ngoba ngiyambukisa but then it's a really nice show. So ngiyayidinga nami indaba bafethu. If you see yourself as a person or a visionist now njenganami, so you can just pull through on our page TEE Productions and then tell us if why do you want to be on Extension Point wazi ukuthi ube co-host no Major, or ube umfundi wendaba on Major show, or ube umuntu ozongihlelela uhlelo lami nje mina ngingenzi lutho ngifike sengizokhuluma. So yeah, I want those type of people about my vision. So there are those type of vacancies so asivulekile khona la station sakho Extension Point. So if nawe unalo ugozi nofuqufuqu lokuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uthathe le task le esobe sikunikeze yona as umuntu o unemployed ngama weekends, because we normally operate on Saturdays from 6 up until 6 ntambama, but Image T Group has now it starts from 12 to 3, so it's a very nice show. Smasitilana Extension Point FM, we live and beyond Mzansi. We go over the borders of Mzansi. It could be that you're in the UK, it could be that you're in the US, it could be that you're in South America, Canada, everywhere in the world. You can still catch us at TEE Productions. That's our Facebook page. Because but then it is true that you do find abantu abakhuluma Zulu and English at the same time on the other countries. So we have my creators asukela South Africa kwamanye amazwe. So hence they listen to our radio stations like Extension Point Online so that they can know what's going on in their country, which is in South Africa. Kwenzekani ezweni sakini. So yeah, mind you, I'm going to play you another hijack while I still go $8 and then do my research and then come back. Because yes, now this is the Major T Groove on Extension Point FM. Lil Wayne featuring Kendrick Lamar, betting Mona Lisa. Yes, sir.
I got a story to tell, you know that I cherish these. Hope it ain't too many feelings involved.
In this bitch, stuntin', poppin' bottles, getting drunk with these bitches, and when they leave, they get followed. Fall asleep with that bitch and really don't know much about her. Then she let us in, we take all of your shit, and when you wake up, she help you try to find it. I love her. I be with bitches, that be with bitches, that be with niggas with riches. I tell her get him, she say I got you. I say no bitch, I say get him. And they so pretty, and they hell lengthy. He hit it and sleep on her titties. And she give us the word, we come through with AKs. It's a stick up, she scream like a victim. Like you, feeling so silly. I smoke color purple, I'm up in here feeling like silly. Ooh, nappy ass dress, what's that you say? Watch your mouth, Millie Vanilli. Ooh, you can get snaked, you can get faked. Out by the bitch that you feeling, cause you thought she was an angel. That bitch ain't no angel. I treat her halo like a frisbee, and you tell her your business, she tell me your business. You tell that bitch what you feeling. All of the beans you be spilling to you, she like through her teeth cavities feeling. She know where you had it, tell me where it's hidden. She know when you gone, tell me when the bitch say we breaking your home. And take the specifics in me while the bitch is on vacation with him, so she don't get blamed. We don't snatch things, we find out addresses, and we don't leave messes. You'll only know that it's gone when you check it. Then your first thought is to start second guessing. She say what's wrong, he say nothing, keep resting. She say what's missing, how you know something missing. He scratched his head, she say get back in bed. And she gave him some head, boy you can't trust them bitches. And then she say ooh, I see niggas in this bitch stuntin', poppin' bottles, getting drunk with these bitches, and when they leave, they get followed. I be with bitches that know the bitches, that's what the niggas we following. Get them on the line, stay 2 cars behind, and tell them hoes don't be so obvious. On a Lisa. Long hair don't care, she handle the business and don't ever tell. She bite the bullet and cuff up the shell. She tell him, ooh daddy, let's go to your place. And if he say yeah, then we meet him there. She feed him lies with his silverware. She don't want love, she just wanna share. I know a bitch named Liz. This nigga think she his, cause you tell him that it is. So he tell her all his secrets, he tell her all his fears. And then she tell me, and I be all ears. Then I go and tell my people, and they already know it. And then I call Liz, and she say he coming over. I said, good girl, just remember what I told you. She gave me the salute, I said, girl, you're a soldier. We waiting outside, watch her pull up, walk up to the door, and right before he knocked, she opened the door naked, she left it unlocked. They started French kissing so he didn't see more. Then she let him in, they stopped on the couch, music up loud with his head in the clouds. Turn his shit down and I scared the piss out him. Piss a nigga off, put the gun to his frown. Nigga turn around, I ain't here to fuck around, I ain't here to fuck around. Caught you with your pants down, you know what it is, put your fucking hands up. Liz, that's enough, you can put your hands down. Then he looked dead at her and he shook his head at her. She a good actress and you a dead actor. You be dead after we get what we after. If Liz call you daddy, she about to be a bastard. the O. I got way too many bitches that do anything for me, nigga. But thank for me, nigga. Send her to you like she ain't for me, nigga. I hope you alone like bankruptcy, nigga. She pour you a drink, that drink on me, nigga. She slips something in and I faint for me, nigga. Mona Lisa, I done painted the picture. Mona Lisa out the frame on these niggas. Pussy got you out of character, nigga. You pop for these hoes up your ladder, my nigga. Take everything that you have to, you don't even have an opinion. We have your attention, and now you looking on the barrel, though, nigga. Now she looking for her pantyhose, nigga. We just looking for the casserole, nigga. But she gon' show us where you stash it, though, nigga. Mona.
Every day she wake up with a different color makeup and a promise he could take her to the movie in the mall. Chilling with the liquor on the floor, fourth quarter for a minute on the clock. Black mama with the bow. Paparazzi looking at them both, popping up and take a picture. Probably on the internet blog. In a minute he gon' be admitting that he love her on his mother. Man, he wanna meet her mother by tomorrow.
Mona Lisa.
Pussy good enough, he got him sitting in the walls and he digging in it like he living in it, making a religion with him and a nigga about to go against God.
Poetry in a bad tree, sweet tone like a hummingbird. When she asked him, did he wanna make love in a yellow taxi? Never gave two fuck, jumped in the backseat, woke up in the morning to the Great Gatsby. Then he dogged it again like the bitch last see. I'm a dog in the wind, I'm a pit laughing. I'ma call up again like I did last week. Make good with a friend and I'm all jazzy. Brittany with a twin and a girl Ashley. Found out that I fucked, he was unhappy.
Bitch, I never let the bullshit get past me. Better yet, I wanna break up, don't you ask me. But no motherfucking double standard acting. Fucking on another nigga, that's a negative alone. But you suck this dick, that's just nasty. Matter of fact, bitch, give me your phone.
No.
You fucking with Wayne.
No.
Bitch, give me your phone.
No. Let me take this call real quick.
You on your fucking ringtone? Is that the shit that you do? Touching yourself, looking at Kendrick videos, jump on the internet, watching his interviews. I don't know what the fuck lately got into you. Tell me who love you, I bet I love harder. Forgot all the shit that I did for your daughter. The Pampers, the Pedialyte, and my mama daycare at the school, and she never did charge her. You scandalous as fuck, and I hope you blow up. You know what, I get buck, let me go get my gun. I got one in the chamber, I'm planning no aiming. God damn it, you know that the damage is done. Bitch, I'm emotional cause I'm in stress. I'm not supposed to go through this, I guess. So in conclusion, since you like rappers that's killing that pussy, I'm killing myself.